Hi, my name's Noelene Cason and I'm an interior designer and my practice is called Interiors by Cason. When considering design of your bathrooms, it really needs to work with the rest of your home and also the size of the room and how much light it has. Colours that are on trend are the neutral, warmer tones in the naturals, earthy, really bringing in the centre of Australia. Storage is huge for bathrooms. Drawers in your vanity instead of cupboards makes every corner of your vanity accessible, and your mirrors can be designed in any shape or size, and utilising a cupboard behind that is fantastic. Standalone baths are right on trend. Frameless shower screens are lovely without glass doors. For your bathroom renovation, you really do need a builder. You need an electrician, you need a plumber, a tiler and a waterproofer. For your stylish bathroom, look up interior designers at highpages.com.au.